Students, I am Anita. Welcome to Sanskar Public School. Today in this video we are going to start the first chapter of Maths class 5th. The name of chapter Numbers and Numeration. We take first numeral. A numeral is a symbol or name that stands for a number. Example 3, 49 and 15 are all numerals. Numeration. An organized way of writing numerals is numeration. We first starting the chapter need to find the difference between the number, digit numeral and numeration. First take number. A number is a measurement that is an idea in our mind. Next, digit. A digit is a symbol used to make numerals 1, 7, 5. 175 is called numeral. 175 separately is known as digit. यदि हम 175 को एक साथ 175 कहें तो वह न्यूमरल बन जाएगा, और यदि हम 175 इन्हें सेपरेट यानी अलग अलग कर दें तो यह डिजिट बन जाएगा. We see our next topic, Indian and International System of Numeration. How do we understand the number is written in an Indian system and international system? First we look at the commas in Indian system. How do we put the commas? First commas we put after 3 digit, and then we put the commas after every 2 digit. इंडियन सिस्टम में हम सबसे पहली बार कोमा प्रत्येक 3 डिजिट के बाद लगाएंगे, उसके बाद हम प्रत्येक 2 डिजिट के बाद. But in international system, each comma is put after every 3 digit. परंतु इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम के अंदर हम प्रत्येक कोमा को 3 डिजिट के बाद लगाते हैं. So, how do we write number? According to Indian system of numeration, as you all know, we start writing the number from the right side. So, the first is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. In the international system numeration, we divide the numbers in 3 blocks. First is ones, second thousand, third millions and fourth billions. बिलियंस हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे. Ones, tens, hundreds will come under ones block. Thousand, 10,000, 100,000 will come under thousand block. Millions, 10 millions, 100 millions will come under millions block. And put commas after every 3 digit. Now we will understand more this example. According to Indian system, you can see these numerals, how the commas are put. First comma is put after 3 digit, यानी फर्स्ट कोमा हम सबसे पहले 3 डिजिट के बाद लगाते हैं. एंड देन आफ्टर एवरी 2 डिजिट, उसके बाद प्रत्येक 2 अंकों के बाद. सो इट इज़ इन इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. सो फर्स्ट डिजिट इज ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crores. So we will be write 13 crore 68 lakh 5,463. The same number we have to write according international system of numeration. And see the commas every 3 digit. So first 3 digit known as ones, second digit second 3 digit known as thousand, and third 3 digit known as millions. We take next ascending and descending order. We see first ascending order. Ascending orders means increasing order. Ascending order का मतलब बढ़ते क्रम में. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is ascending order. Let us see how to put the numbers 21, 32, 14, 26, 11 in ascending orders. We write as in ascending 11, 14, 21, 26, 32. Next, descending orders. Descending orders means decreasing orders, means घटते क्रम में. For example, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is descending orders. Let's see the example descending order. How to put the numbers 24, 32, 19, 26, 43 in descending order. In order, we write 43, 32, 26, 24, 19. Other example, arrange each of the following numbers in a descending orders 3, 5, 7, 4. The order is 7, 5, 4, 3. Thanks everyone.